Hello artists, today we're going to be drawing a Labbit. That's right, this one here is called a Cow Stache because he's got a mustache and he's got a cow pattern. And this rabbit, this design, Labbit, is done by an artist called Frank Kozik, and he's a really cool artist, one of my favourite artists. I'll put a link to his website in the description below so you can check out more of his work. It's really cool. And so I'm going to be drawing this one here. Alrighty, shall we get started? We'll put him here for our reference so we can look to see how he looks like. Alright, so for this, all you need is some paper, something to draw with, like a marker, and something to colour in with. Like this one here, it's pretty much just white and different browns and black. But if you want to, you can actually make them different colours. If you want to, you can make them pink or blue or whatever you want, whatever your imagination can come up with. So alrighty, let's get started. Alright, so I think the first thing we're going to draw is his moustache. So let's draw his moustache here around this corner of the paper. We'll draw his head here and then his body over there as well. So let's start drawing from the top, and it's just a big curl here, like that. His real fancy moustache. Yeah. And then we'll do it on the other side there as well. You can start off thin, and then it kind of gets thicker and thicker as it goes around, and you stop about there. Alright, so we've done one side, and now we can do pretty much the same on the other side. But because this side is closer, maybe you want to make that a little bit bigger so you get some perspective in there. Do a bit of a curl, yeah, and then just continue on the outside. You can start off thin at the tip because that's the end of the moustache, and getting thicker and thicker as you go in, like that. That is a very nice bushy moustache. Alrighty, so let's draw the rest of the Labbit's head. We're going to start off doing some ears. Nice big shape like that. It's pretty much like an upside down U. Nice big fluffy round ears. Yep, and then do another one next to it. I'm going to do it a little bit smaller because again, perspective, that one is further away. So to give the image some depth. Cool, like that. Yeah, awesome. Alright, now let's draw his cheek or the side of his head. So it's going from his ear past his behind his moustache a little bit and down like that. And in between here you can see the bottom of his mouth or his chin there. Yeah. And then we've got another line going up here on the side. And we're going to stop, leave a little gap in there, and then continue from there up like that. Great. Now let's draw his eyes. Now if you look at his eyes, check his eyes out there. They're nice and just one oval shape and got a little bit of a white dot in there for a highlight. So let's draw that. Basically drawing two ovals. And then draw another little circle in there for the highlight, and then colour it in. The eyes don't have to be black, you can make another colour, but yeah, we're just going to do it as black. Alrighty, that's great. So let's draw the rest of his body. So he's got a nice round body there, so we're going to do one big curve starting from near the bottom of his ear. And we're going to do a nice curve that goes around, all the way around, and we're going to stop about there, which is the bottom of his foot. And let's draw his feet. So we're going to draw a straight line, and then we're going to go up a little bit. So that's his back foot. And then we're going to draw another short little curved line underneath there, which is his tummy. And then we'll draw another foot there, which is a similar shape to that here as well. Yeah. Alrighty. Now, because a Labbit has 4 feet, let's draw some other feet there as well. So there's another foot kind of hiding behind there. Again, we can make that one a little bit smaller because it's behind, so you get that perspective. And another one there as well, in the middle. There we go, that looks pretty cool. Alrighty, and the last thing is to draw his tail. So you'll see a little bit of his tail sticking out. It's just a round shape there, like that. Cool. So this is just a plain Labbit. Now, this one, the one that we got is the Cow Stache. So it's got cow patterns on there. So that's what we're going to draw as well. So we'll just randomly draw some shapes and then we'll colour them in a different colour. So I'm just going to do something like that. Put some there. Kind of make it look like a cow sort of shapes. And let's do some other one on his ear. Make that a round spot. And put one on his face there as well. Alrighty, there we go. So we've done all the line work. And the next part is to colour in. Yay! Alrighty, and we've finished colouring in our Cow Stache Labbit. And super easy character to colour in because basically we just use dark brown for his cow spots and in a lighter brown for his moustache. And we'll just add some shading and some highlights, and that's pretty much it. So you can see, I reckon it looks pretty much like the actual toy. Yeah, pretty cool, eh? Alright, you happy with your drawing?
Yes.
Yeah, awesome. I think you did a great job there. Alrighty. Well, thanks for following along with us and our little Labbit. Hope you had lots of fun drawing, and check out our channel. We've got lots of other drawing videos for you to join in and have fun with. So we'll see you again next time. Bye!